my channel. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of the Canon mg2522 printer, copier and scanner machine that I got for $19 from Walmart. That wasn't the original price. It was on sale for $19.99. I think it was just $19, not $19.99. I think it was just $19 zeroed. And I find out about the sale through freestufffinder.com, and I decided to buy it from Walmart. I originally had one already, another Canon. It's about right there, and I was going to be purchasing the ink, and instead of that, I find this amazing deal for $90, and it's a new printer. What can anything go wrong with that, right? Sometimes it is cheaper to get the whole item when you have it on sale than buying the ink. This one has the 243 ink and the 244 color ink, and both of them are included in here. It says included the black and included the color, and it is a print, copy, and scan printer, and it's in the color white. This one over here, it also says that it is the best value in the ink capacity or whatever that is. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and open it. The print and scan printer. I did get it shipped to my house, so hopefully it made it in decent or in great condition, I would say. So if you open it right about like that, let me put you a little back. And the first thing that you see here on the top is the instructions on how to get started. And it's 1, 2, 3. It's pretty easy. You just plug in the items. Right on the top says if you need help, and there is how to. And in here we have the color ink, the black ink, as well as the USB cord that you connect to the printer, to your computer, and the cable for the electricity that you connect to the printer and to the wall, and that comes there. And then right on the top, right after, we're gonna slide out the actual item. Right here in this little baggie includes the thing that you need to put in your computer in order for your printer to be linked and everything to your computer, laptop, or whatever that you use. And it has the Canon PIXMA MG2500 setup CD-ROM, and it's for Windows, OS Windows, and U3.0. That is the programming, the setup. And then, of course, it has safety and important information sheets, as well as the, I guess, the warranty and all that. But the warranty is only for the US. So it gives you information about that. In this little baggie. And the printer has these styrofoam things. You're going to see, sorry if you see the shadow from my camera. Oh, it actually feels different than my other one. Let me see my other one. My other one's smoother. Huh. So there's that. It's going to be annoying, the shadow over here. But look at this. It comes in this little plastic. It looks way slimmer and nicer than my older one. Look at that. It looks pretty nice. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look at that, it has like a slim part of it. My other one was like totally squared, and this one has like a unique little, can you see the little curvature? And it has, of course, you can slide your thing here for your papers. Give me a second. So I took off the stickers or the tape that is behind it. It's really, really sticky. Like, it's really hard to take out. So I went ahead and take that out, and I'm going to show you right here at the bottom that there's this orange little thing right at the bottom that you can just pull, and you're able to take out and like throw it out. You don't need this. This is just like a little thing to retain it there. You can close it back out. And then this is your paper dispenser, and that's how it looks. Right on the top you get your this other little lid or flap for other papers to come out this way in case like you're printing or something, it'll come out that way. And then we have the copy part of it right over here, and it has the glass and everything, so it could copy or scan any of the items of papers that you're gonna scan or copy right over there. I think it looks really slim and really cool. This one right on the side, I believe, on the back, not on the side, it's where all your connections come, where you can connect it. And right over here you can connect the cord for the electricity, just like that. And right on the corner over here is for the USB drive, not the USB drive, the USB cord. And it has the thinner part, of course, this is for your computer. And then the thicker square one is for the printer. It has a rounder part, so you gotta check which one's the rounder part, usually towards the top. You connect it, and there you have it. You have your cords connected to the printer. And right over here, I'm gonna show you, it has the off. It has the off. It has a little thing here like something's messing up. It has that you're low on ink for the black, or you're low on the color ink. Here's a button for you to stop anything like printing, scanning, or copying. And then of course, if you're gonna make something out of printing or copying or anything like that, you can click this one for only for black, or you can click this one for color. On my other one, I actually had a stop or reset button, and it had here something about that, and it was a little bit tackier. And on the other one, I actually had a little screen here that said how many copies were left. This one does not have that. I can show you right here. This one's my older one, and look right here, I could see if how many were printing or how many were left or anything like that. And then the dimensions of the papers that I could use, and then fit to page buttons and scan or connections and stuff like that. And this one does not. This one doesn't have a scan button or any instructions of what sizes of the pages that you could use. It just has an on and off, stop, black, and color ink. Right over here, I don't think there's any other buttons, but there's that. It looks slim, it looks nice. I do like it, but it doesn't have those other items that I was already used to having, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna put the ink. I'm going to actually take the cord out from here, and then so I can pull it up like that and be able to see. I'm gonna push this back. This one, you just like pull it gently this way, and then you have your ports right there. So we're gonna go ahead and open them. Right here on the bottom, it tells you as well, it's kind of hard to show you, but it gives you the left is for color and the right is for the black. And it also gives you these numbers. I'm not sure what they are for, but yes, on my other printer inside of here, it had the number that like 244 or 243, so I didn't need it to like take out the ink for me to see what numbers were the ones for the printing, but I can see here that instead of putting the numbers, they actually included like CL244 or PG243 on the fine cartridge. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Let me zoom in there. You see, they have the letters that they're like right here. They have it there. So they're a little bit hidden and kind of unknown instead of having the big numbers here, which are helpful. But let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and put the ink right on the printer. I'm gonna try it and show you as much as I can. So we said the color one is on the left. So these cartridges come with this plastic. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm going to grab it from here. It has this little plastic here that you take off, because that's how it's going to be connected to the inside. And then this part is like the sensor, or the part that goes right inside of there. Let me see if I could zoom you in there so you can see. There's these two sensors. You can see the black, the square one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just push this in one. It could slide right in there. When you don't have or like you're not putting it on a computer that actually has a CD-ROM thingy to put it, like my laptop doesn't have one, you can just simply connect it. Like I already connected to the electricity over there, and I'm going to connect it to my computer. It's going to link, and then automatically, hopefully, it's going to send something to the front, and we gotta remember to turn it on. As soon as we turn it on, it will start adjusting and doing the stuff that it's doing with the ink, trying to adjust itself. We can open it and see, look, it's already going in there. We're gonna go ahead and put it back in there. So if you can't put your CD, if it's just a laptop just like mine, as soon as you put in the cable through the USB port, you get a little thing there that pops up. I don't know if I was gonna go do it again. I was hoping it did. Like, oh, there it was. You see it? Device. So I'm gonna go put it again, and then you click the little thing there to continue with the setup. You know, I was actually thinking that this, I'm probably go wrong, that I was thinking that we put the papers here like I did on my other one. See, I'm so used to it, and this one goes right on the top, even more chic. I'm going to try and print a PDF thing over here that I had, that I was going to print, and all of the things here are in color, so that's gonna be extra helpful. So we're gonna go ahead and print this one. We're gonna go ahead and click print. You're probably not seeing it, and we're gonna go ahead and see if that is going to grab on to the, see, it's catching on my printer that I had before, because this is the mg2522. So we're gonna go ahead and let's see if we can find, we're gonna go ahead and add printer. Add printer. You're probably gonna see myself there. So we're gonna go ahead and add printer. It's going to refresh and all. It has found the computer, so we're gonna go ahead and print. that. It prints pretty nice, of course, because it's new and everything's in color. I have no problem. Just make sure your USB drive is plugged in the port that is correctly put in there. I had a bit of a trouble because I forget one of my ports cannot work, but other than that, everything works. I give it a thumbs up, 5 stars out of 5 stars so far. I love it. The Canon mg2522 for $19 that I got at Walmart. I'm not sure if you're gonna get it for $19, but other than that, that is my unboxing and testing of the Canon print, copy, and scan printer. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time on another video on another day, and goodbye.